welcome back. In the previous video we have seen how we can calculate difference between two dates or times using period class or duration class. This time we will see an enum and it is a chrono unit. We can use ChronoUnit.Between method to calculate the difference between two dates or two times. The chrono unit enum has multiple units and you can see it in the second points, and we can use these units to calculate the difference between two dates. Let's say I have two dates and I want to calculate the difference in weeks. Then I will be using ChronoUnit.Weeks.between and I will pass these two dates as a param. Similarly, you can calculate these differences in centuries, in days, decades, seconds, minutes, and so on. You can use all these units to calculate the difference between these two dates. So let's see some simple example and we will try the important units of chrono unit. Okay, so here I will create class and let's give it a name ChronoUnit.Between example. Add the main method. Okay, so we are going to calculate the difference between two dates, and let me take one local date time here. Local date time from java.time, and let's say it is LT. Okay, so we will use the off method so that we can take some previous dates, and let me take 2014 here, May, and the date is 16. Okay, time let's say 15 and 30. Okay, so 16th of May 2014 and the time is 15 hours and 30 minutes, that is 3:30 p.m. Okay, now this is my first local date time and I will take another local date time LT2, and this time we will use the now method. That means we are taking the current system date time. Okay, and now I want to calculate the difference between LT and LT2 using chrono unit. So let's take chrono unit and here it is java.time.temporal chrono unit dot, and first I will calculate the difference in years. So years dot between LT1 LT2. Okay, and once you hover on the between, you can see the return type of this method is long, so we will add long here, years, and equal to. Okay, so we will be get difference between these two dates in years using ChronoUnit.Years.between. Similarly, we can take it in months, so long months between LT1 LT2, and also we will be able to get it in weeks. Okay, and then we will get it in days, so long days ChronoUnit.days and between. Now we will get the difference in hours, so hours ChronoUnit.hours.between and LT1 LT2 as a para. So after hours we will get the difference in minutes dot minutes dot between LT1 LT2. Also we can use millis and seconds too. So let's take second first. Seconds ChronoUnit dot seconds dot between lt1 lt2. Now we will take it in millis, and let's say ChronoUnit dot millis and dot between lt1 lt2 as a parameter. And let's take the final nano. ChronoUnit dot nanodes dot between lt1 lt2 as a parameter. Okay, so we have calculated the difference between lt and lt2 in different units, and let's print all these values on the console so that we can check it. And so I will add the sysout statement for every single value here, and you can check the values on console after running the program. So let me add it. Okay, so I have added all the sysout statement, and we will run this program. So run as Java application, and let me make it okay. And you can see the difference between lt1 and lt2 are: in years it is 7, in months 92, in weeks 403 weeks, and in days, hours, minutes, seconds, millis, and nanodes. So this is how we can get the difference between lt and lt2, that is two date and times, or two individual dates or times, using the ChronoUnit.Between method. And we can use all these units to get the difference in the particular units. So that's it for this example, and we will see the next concept in upcoming video. Thank you.